SSDs offer speed that we just can't live without. But what if you accidentally wiped important work documents? Or what if your solid-state drive suddenly becomes unrecognized, putting years of photos and videos at risk? Unlike traditional mechanical hard drives, HDDs, SSD data recovery has its own unique challenges and urgency. Today, we're going to discuss the immediate actions you should take and the effective recovery methods available when SSD data is lost. Before attempting any operation, remember the golden rule of SSD data recovery: stop using the drive immediately. As soon as you discover file loss, whether through deletion or formatting, immediately close all programs. If possible, it's best to directly disconnect the SSD's power or set it to read-only mode. This is because every time new data is written, it could potentially overwrite the old data you urgently need to recover, allowing the trim command to fully take effect. After stopping all write operations, the next step is to use a professional and powerful tool. While many recovery software options are available for SSDs, I strongly recommend Aiseesoft Data Recovery. Its greatest advantage lies in its algorithm being optimized for the SSD's trim mechanism. It can deeply scan the file system, significantly improving the success rate of retrieving data before trim has fully executed. The process is very straightforward. 1. Download and install Aiseesoft Data Recovery. Important: make sure to install it on a different drive than the one you are recovering from. 2. Select the SSD where the files were lost and start the scanning process. 3. Once the scan is complete, you can use the filter function to select and preview your target file types. 4. Click the Recover All button to restore them. It supports various file systems and covers all types of data loss scenarios, making it the top choice for both average users and professionals. Next, let's discuss the first technical point: trim. While it improves SSD performance, it is the #1 enemy of data recovery. If you are concerned about potential future data loss or want to maximize the recovery window, you can consider disabling trim. Step 1. Press the Win+R keys, type CM, and run the command prompt as an administrator. Step 2. Enter the command sudo behavior set disabled identify 1. Step 3. After execution, the trim function will be disabled. The value 1 means disabled, and 0 means enabled. Important note: disabling trim will reduce SSD performance and longevity to some extent, so this is typically a trade-off. For data that has already been lost, it cannot be reversed, but for preventing the next accident, it can buy you precious recovery time. The second important method is to regularly update your SSD's firmware and drivers. You might ask, how does this relate to data recovery? Many unexpected SSD data corruptions or crashes are often caused by existing bugs and outdated firmware. These bugs can lead to write errors, drive dropping, or even complete data corruption. Step 1. Visit the official website of your SSD brand, such as Samsung, Crucial, or Kingston. Step 2. Locate the SSD management tool or download page. Step 3. Check if a new firmware version has been released. Step 4. Follow the official guide to safely update the firmware and drivers. Keeping the firmware and drivers up to date is like providing the most robust insurance for your SSD, drastically reducing the possibility of data loss at the source. Alright, let's summarize the key actions for dealing with SSD data loss. Data is priceless, prevention is primary, and recovery is secondary. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments below which files you successfully recovered. See you next time!